Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
So today we will see how we can go to our channel and how we can add our hidden tags behind our content. For that, I am going to our channel and oh yeah, yes, you can subscribe our channel to see new videos, latest videos, tips and tricks for digital marketing, and you'll get all the course from our channel, and that is full free, guys. So do not skip my full videos, and you can go to our channel, visit our channel, subscribe our channel, and see our latest video. And here you will get all the digital marketing course, automation testing course, and Canva tutoring. Everything is full free. So do not skip. Now I'm going to take a video, and that is related with my Canva. So let me go with this one. Easy logo with Canva, right? And I am clicking to my video, and let me just go to with edit video. Before that, you need to see that here the SEO ranking will show us that is 0. You can see that is 0 to 5. Anyways, our SEO ranking is showing only 5, so I want to increase my SEO. And you can see that we have added only high resolution thumbnail, but we didn't add info cards and screen and comment and chapters, comment pin, like on Facebook. Those things we have not, we didn't add. So let me show you first that how we can add our SEO first. So for that, you need to click edit video, and it will redirect you into this page. And this is our video title. So first of all, I will show you how we can add our text over there, right? So I have showed all the process how we can log in TubeBuddy with our channel, and how we can go to others video high ranked tags, how we can copy and how we can take them. And now let me add my keywords, and this is my keyword. Let me just put it over there. I am just pasting over there. If you didn't see any videos, then go to our channel. You will get our videos over there, that how we can take all the high ranked keywords. So this is our high ranked keywords I have pasted over there. Okay. And now let me show you something, that this is our high resolution thumbnail we have already added. Now you already show that they are asking for end screen and cards. For that, you need to click end screen, and I want to show my videos and screen like this. So I am taking this template, and when my videos will going to be end, this will show like this, and I am saving it. Now I am going to add cards, and I want to show my cards from here 59 minutes. So let me add a video over there, and I'm adding this TubeBuddy video so that people can easily find out these videos. You can see that already a card is showing. The card will show like this. Okay, they will suggest to click on this card, and you will see the related videos over there, right? So I am adding another cards from after 2 minutes. So let me add here another video, and that is TubeBuddy SEO Studio Tools, so that people can find it easily. And lastly, I will add a playlist over there, and click on card, and I am adding this automation one, so that people will know about that we are also offering automation testing courses on our channel, right? So let me save it. So we have added our end screen cards and those things, and high ranked cache tags over there, and also high resolution thumbnail. Now you can add a generate title generate. You are adding this title over there, right? Now let this TubeBuddy generate your title so that your video will rank up. Okay, so I am adding this generate ideas, clicking on this button, wait for some time, and it will show some of title over there. So I am adding this one. Okay, and now click on back and save it. To see the magic and to see the result that our SEO ranking is already increased, so I will show everything on my next video. So keep on eyes our channel and see my next video. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification click the bell icon.